What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? This Mike here, Trushine Cleaning. Here at another appointment, another job. Um, this customer, she is a repeat client. This will be my second time working for her, but this is the second location. They actually just bought this house. I had it wrong. I thought they was moving out of this house, but they just bought this house. I'm out here in the Chesterfield area, taking you guys around what I'm going to be doing. So, start you guys in this master bedroom. Carpet is in great condition. They just want to get it clean because they're moving in. So, nice little king size closet space. So you got, here goes the hallway. I'm about to get ready to start pre-vacuuming. So, you can see this little closet. Oh, it's another room. I'll walk right past that room. Only areas I'm really concerned about is this little wear and tear area. So I'm going to focus on those. It's a few in that room, but other than that, it's not too bad at all. As you can see, it's a few little wear spots here around there. Maybe they had a bed over here, but other than that, everything looks pretty good. So you got the closet. So it's a pretty big job. I'm out here by myself. Today is November the 12th, Friday, and I'm doing these steps as well. So doing this basement area, doing these steps. They have painters here at the moment, so the painters are going to just be doing the middle floor. There's no carpet on the middle floor, so they're going to be doing this area. As you can see, down here is like where the most traction is. So we're going to see how this area comes out. So at this large area here, I keep walking past rooms. Walk right past that room. There's a room here. So I'm gonna see how this comes out. They say they wasn't really concerned about this room because of the condition that it's in, and they say they're gonna get carpet in the future. So they told me to just do my best on this carpet down here. But other than that, I got one more room down here, and should be good. So got this room, and that's it. So got quite of a big job today. So I just want to show you guys a little bit of what I'm going to be doing. Starting upstairs first. Those areas shouldn't take too long. Probably about a good hour to do those 3 rooms once I vacuum and everything. So show you guys some of the footage. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, so I decided to do a little VLM cleaning, the very low moisture cleaning on the basement area. So I've done that area already, and I've done the other room. Everything's coming out great. So try to give you guys a walkthrough once I'm done with the basement area. So working on this little area here. Even though the customer said they wasn't too really concerned about this room, but I'm just trying to do my best on it. So working on this rust spot, seeing if these rust spots come up. I've been working on them for a while, so they're starting to break up pretty good. They lighten up very, very well. I think out of the whole house, this room and the steps to this basement is the worst area. But as you guys can see, everything's coming up pretty good. Got that little heavy traffic area right there. I'm gonna go over that one more time and see if I can lighten that up. guys. So I'm gonna stop there. I have this area left, and I'm going to do the steps. I still have to do upstairs, but I decided to do this area first. This is the largest area. Upstairs is only the 3 rooms, the hallway, and the steps. So, show you guys this back room. Even though there's only one little spot that was in here, but everything else came out pretty good. So, you guys can see, this room came out great. It was like a little spot up under here that came out. That's just still wet at the moment. And there was a spot like right there. So.
All right, you guys, doing a light little agitation with the carpet rake. Out of all the rooms, I believe this room right here had the most debris in it. You couldn't see it, but vacuuming, this room right here filled my vacuum up real fast. And this was the second room that I vacuumed. Depending on how well these other rooms come out, I still may use the Oric and agitate certain areas. I still may agitate this area from that room up into this room. I may come back this way a little bit, but mainly, see that little traffic area from here to there? I may still use my Oric on there, so see how it comes out.
Alright, so guys, finishing up the last part of the carpet. Only thing left is the steps. I may shorten my host up to do the steps just to make it a little bit more dry. Even though the customer, they not moving in until I think next week, but they said they won't be back here until tomorrow. But the painters will be up here painting tomorrow, so I know it's gonna be dry for sure by tomorrow. But I also want those steps to come out great like this area is.